Okay, everyone. So I've got a Dyson, and trust me, I'm thinking about swapping out for the Shark that says no hair. But has anybody had this problem? It sucks. Oh my God, this sucks. So what I've done is I picked up one of these. It's actually for the iRobot, but it lets you get right in there. And it occurred to me a letter opener might still work, or even those old CD cases, and just really let you get in there, and it cuts. And then, if there's anything really, you can kind of use this part, but it doesn't really do much. But once it's there, you can start just pulling the hair off. And, people with long hair, guys and girls, you look great in it, and we're super thrilled, all of us. But man, does it put a cost on the vacuum. So, anyways, I thought I'd share that. I got this off Amazon probably for like $6, and it was well worth it. Um, but like I said, if you know how to give away stuff whenever they're doing promotional ads, sometimes you'll get a letter opener. It looks just like this. That'll work too. Anyways, just a quick tip. Thought I'd help everybody out. Anyone who has the wound up hair, I know, blues. There you go. Makes it a little easier to get clean off. Not perfect, but better than nothing.